afternoon, viewers. Today we'll do a portion of geometry. What is geometry? Life without geometry is pointless. Without geometry, we can't even think about the shape, size of a thing or a particle, of the distances. If you want to find the distance from the two points, two places, then you need geometry. One of the most important part is conic section of the geometry, in which we'll study about ellipse. We'll study from the basics of ellipse. Children, those who have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and like it and share it. Now, if you have any doubts, any comments, please write in the comment box. Now, what is ellipse? Let us, from the beginning, we will study about ellipse. Ellipse is a set of points which moves in a plane such a way that the distance remains, that the sum of the distances from the two fixed points is always same. From the two fixed points remains always same. Always same. Let us consider figure 1. See, there is a point P, Q, R on the ellipse. So, PS plus PS dash is equal to QS plus QS dash equal to RS plus RS dash. This is always constant. The two fixed point is known as foci. Point in this figure 1, S and S dash are known as foci. And SS dash is denoted by 2C. We denote SS dash is equal to T2C. Now there are certain definitions of ellipse. Center of the ellipse. Come to figure 2. Figure 2, you just see what it says. The midpoint, center of the ellipse, will study. What is center of the ellipse? The midpoint, see figure 2, the midpoint of the line segment joining the two foci. Here it is C. The midpoint between S and S dash, this is point C. Now major axis. Major axis, the line segment joining the two foci and terminating ellipse. What it is? This is A dash. That is, in this figure, this is A dash and normally denoted by 2A. Semi-major axis. Semi-major axis is equal to CA dash equal to CA equal to A. Similarly, minor axis, it is the perpendicular from segment perpendicular to the center of the ellipse. To center of the ellipse. In figure 2, just see in figure 2, you just see this is equal to B dash. See here, this is B dash. B dash. And B dash is equal to normally 2B. Semi-minor axis. This is equal to CB equal to CB dash equal to B. Next we will do eccentricity. It is the ratio of C is to A. Here C by A is equal to E. Obviously E is less than 1. So eccentricity of the ellipse, E of the ellipse is less than 1. So I can write C by A is equal to E. So C is equal to A into E. Now lattice rectum. What is this? See again in figure 2. This is L dash and M dash. The line segment perpendicular. The line segment which is perpendicular to the focus. In this case for L dash it is perpendicular to S dash, perpendicular at S dash, and dash perpendicular to S. This line is perpendicular to L dash is called lattice rectum and dash is called the lattice rectum, both the lattice rectum, and this is 90 degree. Okay. Students, L dash is the perpendicular. So you can see this is perpendicular 90 degree. This is also perpendicular to the major axis. So L dash and dash are lattice rectum. Now we will find the relationship between the major axis, minor axis and C. Relationship between A, B, C. 2A, 2B and C. That is my semi-major axis, minor axis and focus. What we can do here, we can join BS dash and BS. See figure 3. We have joined BS and BS dash. What is the definition of the ellipse. AS plus AS dash is equal to constant. Let it be K. I can write instead of AS plus AS dash is equal to K. Now what is AS? AS can be written as, just see, AC minus AS. AC minus AS. And what is AS dash? This is AC plus AS dash. This is equal to K. So this is AC, just we have studied what is AC, that is A minus C plus A plus C. This is equal to K. So A minus C plus A plus C is equal to K. So minus C plus C cancel, 2A equal to K. Similarly, we can say, see the figure again, BS plus BS dash is equal to also constant. B is a point on the ellipse. So BS plus BS dash by the definition of ellipse, this is equal to also constant. Just now we have found the value of constant. This is equal to 2A. So I can write instead of BS, this is B square plus C square under root plus under root B square plus C square. This is equal to 2A. So I can write, this implies that 2 of under root B square plus C square is equal to 2A. This 2 cancel. So I can write B square plus C square is equal to A square. What is the relationship between these two? So I can write again, B square is equal to A square minus C square. Now what is C? C is equal to AE. So I can write A square minus AE, A square, E square. I can take A square common, 1 minus E square. So B square is equal to A square 1 minus E square. Standard equation of ellipse. Of ellipse. In this, we will derive what is the standard equation of the ellipse. Let us take Pxy, a point, be a point on the ellipse. See figure 4. In figure 4, we join PS and PS dash. So what is the distance of, according to the definition of ellipse? Definition of ellipse, I can write PS plus PS dash is equal to 2A. Now what is the distance formula of PS? PS is equal to under root x minus c whole square plus y square. And here it is under root x minus c whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 2a. So this is x under root x minus c whole square plus y square, and this is under root x plus c whole square plus y square is equal to 2a. Now I can write x plus c whole square plus y square is equal to 2a minus under root x minus c whole square plus y square. Squaring both the sides, This is x plus c whole square plus y square. And this is 4a square plus x minus c whole square plus y square minus 2a into 2, that is 4. I am writing directly x minus c whole square plus y square. So this y square cancel, and this is x plus c whole square minus x minus c whole square minus 4a square is equal to minus 4a under root x minus c whole square plus y square. So I can write this as imply this with implementation sign. This is x square plus c square plus 2xc minus x square minus c square plus 2xc minus 4a square minus 4 equal to minus 4a under root x minus c whole square plus y square. So x square cancel, and c square minus c square cancel. So this is 4, take common 4, xc minus a square. This is equal to minus 4a under root x minus c whole square plus y square. Now against 4 you can cancel. Squaring both sides. Again square. Both sides we get x square c square plus a to the power 4 minus 2xc a square, and this is equal to a square x minus c whole square plus y square. Obviously this a square will be multiplied. So I can write this as a square x square plus a square c square minus 2a square xc plus y square. See, 2xc and x square, a square, this is cancel. So I can write here, after this I am doing here, take x square common, x square c square minus, I have taken from RHS to LHS, this minus a square x square, and here y square into a square minus a square y square, and this is equal to a square c square plus equal to a square c square minus a to the power 4. Now I have taken common, x square I have taken common, c square minus a square minus a square y square, and this is a square common, take c square minus a square. X square c square minus a square x square minus a square y square is equal to a. Now divide it by a square c square minus a square. So x square divided by a square c square minus a square, and this is minus a square y square divided by a square c square minus a square, and this is equal to 1. So this is c square minus a square. So this 2 cancels and this cancels. So this is x square by a square, and this is minus minus plus y square by b square, because you know c square is equal to a square minus b square. So this is equal to 1. This is your standard equation of the ellipse.